Hi, today I'm ready for Nokia X10 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why we should tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, click here to open the app, tap to yes I agree, pick close. On the left down corner, tap to OK, and now we can see here information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 28.5 degrees. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.